Hey there, skincare enthusiasts. Are you tired of spending a fortune on expensive skincare products that promise the world but deliver very little? What if I told you that you could make your own powerful skincare products right at home using natural ingredients? In today's video, I'm sharing amazing DIY recipes of vitamin C serum for glowing, radiant skin. Let's dive right in and take your skincare game to the next level. Take 2 vitamin C tablets and then make vitamin C powder by grinding them very well. Now take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, add pinch of vitamin C powder in it, and mix them well. You can store it in a container for 2 weeks in fridge. Apply this serum on your face and neck. Leave it for 30 minutes and then rinse off. Apply moisturizer immediately. This will brighten up your skin, improve skin texture, and will boost collagen production. Treat blemishes, hydrate the skin, and will reduce dark spots. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Let me know in the comments if you tried these recipes and how they worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips. Until next time, stay glowing.